Moving on, so let's now go to the sound of the vowels on the same page, page 5. Now the good news is if you are able to memorize these 5 sounds, you could pretty much pronounce any word that you see. Why? Because the sound of the vowels never change. They're always the same. They're short, and as we pronounce them, I want you to take a look at the position of my mouth. By the way, get the worksheets for this lesson from the Hola Spanish Beginner 1 book for free by clicking on the link on the description of this video. Generally speaking, I find Spanish is more, the position of the mouth is a little bit more horizontal, like la 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 la, la, you know? In English, on the other hand, it's more like vertical, like ah, ah, la la la. That's my personal opinion, but so when you pronounce the vowels in Spanish, you can kind of exaggerate. So take a look at my position. The first one is A. Yes, A. The next one, E. 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 Notice the position in my mouth, E. E is almost like when you say in English the verb to eat. To eat. E. E. Good. O. And U. Yeah. There's the pronunciation again. A. E. I. O. U. Good. Your turn. That's right. E. Muy bien. A, E, I, O, U. Muy bien. Now let's practice with some consonants before it, so we can make up syllables. Let's practice with the letter M, which in Spanish is la M. So when we have this, it sounds ma. Muy bien. Ma. That's right. Me. Mi. Mo. Mu. Muy bien. Con la letra P. Pa. Good. P. Pi. Po. Pu. Perfecto. Now, what about con la che? CH. What about this? It would be cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Muy bien. Now remember, la H, the H is silent. So we have, that's right, A, E, I, O, U. Muy bien. Now la J, the J in Spanish sounds like an H in English. So we have ha, he, hi, ho, and hu. Muy bien. Okay. Remember we talked a little bit about the double L, la ella, and the Y, la Y. They have very much similar sound, pretty much the same sound, interchangeable. So we have ya, ye, ji, yo, you. Let's hear you say it. Yes. We also talk about, you could say it or you can hear it pronounced more like ya, ye, yi, yo, you, if you travel to more Central American, Caribbean countries in Latin America. Or if you're traveling to Uruguay, Argentina, sha, she, she, sho, shu. Same with the Y. So again, ya, ye, ji, yo, you, right? Or ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Muy bien. Now, I'm going to talk about 2 small exceptions. When we have la letra C, this sounds ka, right? Ka. This sounds ko. This, ku. Muy bien. But what about this? When it's followed by the E in Spanish, this sounds se. And this sounds si. Yeah? Like an S. Again, unless if you're in Spain, you would hear it as a thi. Barcelona. Gracias. In Latin America, si. Barcelona, gracias. Bueno, The same thing happens with the letter G, la G in Spanish. When we have this, it sounds ga, go, gu. But what about this? G. Yeah, so notice it's exactly the same sound as a J, G. And likewise, the G and E in Spanish sounds he. Yeah, so a lot of people, a lot of kids in Spanish, they often get spelling mistakes because they can tell them apart. They sound the same. G with a G or G with a J. Or he and he. Muy bien. Take the full course where I will guide you step by step along the way. You will get to test your knowledge through quizzes and get the full book at hola-spanish.com. I look forward to seeing you there.